discussing about understand interface fundamentals. First of all, what is interface in Java? An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It has static, constant and abstract methods. The interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve abstraction. There can be only abstract methods in the Java interface, not method body. It is used to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. In other words, you can say that interfaces can have abstract methods and variables. It can have a method body. So, why use Java interface? What are the need or what are the requirements of Java interface? So, there are three reasons to use interface. They are given below. It is used to achieve abstraction. By interface, we can support the functionality of multiple inheritance. It can be used to achieve the loose coupling in Java. Let's discuss how to declare an interface. An interface is declared by using the interface keyword. It provides total abstraction, means all the methods in an interface are declared within the empty body and all the fields are public, static and final by default. A class that implements an interface must implement all the methods declared in the interface. And its syntax are interface and in bracket interface name and then curly braces open and all the members inside it and then curly braces close. Let's see the code how we can implement the interface in Java. Interface fundamental. First of all, we create an interface by using interface keyword and then interface name, that is printable. Mostly we use the ABL suffix in interface name. So we write interface printable and then we create a method that is void print, and we all know that in interface we don't provide the body of the method, so we just simply define it. And then the class A6 which implements the printable. So we all know that the class which implements the interface, we have on that class we have to give the body of the methods or all the members. So here we just represent the body of print, that is public void print and then system.out.println and hello. And inside the main method we just call the method that is a6 obj is equals to new a6 and then obj.print. So just save it and let's execute it. We are already in our file location, so just write javac a6.java. And hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it, Java A6. See, it will give us the value hello. So using these things we can achieve the interface, we can implement the interface in Java. Thank you.